You have done well. Roots of a quadratic equation by using factorization method. Now, one of the most important methods for Olympiad exams also, that is completing square method, that we will discuss now. Same problem. X square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Completing the square method, name itself gives you some hint. You have to change this in form of a plus b whole square form or a minus b whole square. That are square form, no? So that's why this we have to change in whole square method. Then what we have to do it? First you must know the formulae. What are those? A plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. These two formulae play important role for this problem. Okay, get ready. But now formula we are using in reverse. A square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square equal to a minus b whole square. Means you must have the trinomial 3 terms, then that is in the form of a square, 2ab form, b square form, then automatically will get a square of the binomial, whole square form will get. Okay, now you observe here, we must get it. What is it? A square plus, ఇక్కడ minus ఉంది కాబట్టి here we have minus, so that's why minus 2ab plus b square. You have to change these two terms like this form. Is it possible? Everything is possible. See, this term, what we have to write it, x is there, no? So that's why x write it. It is x whole square. Okay, x whole square is nothing but x square now. A square we got it. 2. A. What is the value of a? X. It is a major role to get the problem. B value, what we have to take it? That is my question. What is your answer? When we are taking B value, then you simplify it, must get it minus 5x. Minus 5x రావాలి మనకి ఈ బ్రాకెట్లో సమ్ వాల్యూ వేస్తే. ఏంటి ఆ వాల్యూ? యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ ఇట్, యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఇమాజిన్ ఇట్, యూ హ్యావ్ టు థింక్ ఇట్. వాట్ డూ యూ గెట్? హియర్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఎలిమినేట్ ద 2. Again we have to get the 5. Then what we have to do it? Definitely 5 by 2. Yes or no? 2 get cancelled. Then we'll get. So what is the B value? B value is 5 by 2. What is the B value? Your B value is 5 by 2. So that's why here you take it 5 by 2. Okay. So now a square minus 2ab plus b square. Is 5 by 2 whole square is the term in it? No, the term is not in it. So that's why here this is an extra term we introduced. But whatever it may be, you do it. When we are simplifying it, must get the above step. Then only that is a true equation. Otherwise not a true. You added 5 by 2 whole square. Then immediately what you have to do it? Minus 5 by 2 whole square you do it. And simplify. Will you get it? These two terms will get this cancel, and again what is there? Plus 6. Plus 6 equal to 0. Now observe, a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square value is a minus b whole square. These values send that side. Minus 5 by 2 whole square sending that side, plus 5 by 2 whole square. And plus 6 is going that side, minus 6. X minus 5 by 2 whole square equal to a by b whole square formula, you know. The square belongs to both numerator and denominator. 5 square, 5 5s are 25. 2 square, 2 2s are 4, minus 6. Now, x minus 5 by 2 whole square equal to what is LCM? LCM is 4. 25 minus 24. You get it? 1 by 4. Now, square. You transpose right hand side, that will get a plus or minus root. That is a simple step, you know. Square is transpose right side, will get square root. Will get positive value or negative value. X minus 5 by 2 equal to plus or minus root 1 value how much? Root a by b is equal to whole root a by b is equal to root a by root b. So that's why root 1, root 4, 2. So now x minus 5 by 2 equal to 1 by 2 or x minus 5 by 2 equal to minus 1 by 2. X equal to 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2 or x equal to 5 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2. So now what will get? 5 plus 1, 6. 6 by 2 or x is 4 by 2. Now x value is 3 or 2. We got it or not? X value is 2 and y value is 3. It is called completing the square method. So try to do it. Next problem, one more problem we have given now. What is it? 2x square plus x minus 6 equal to 0. You try to do it same as it is. A square plus 2ab plus b square. But there 2 is there, too tough. We'll do this. Right. 2x square plus x minus 6 equal to 0. Do it well. Observe here. X square coefficient is 2. Then what we have to do? One thing, this we can express it as root 2x whole square. You can go through like that. Otherwise, one standard method you take it. What is that? X square coefficient is 1. You have to change it. Here x square coefficient, is it 1? No. That's why you have to change this coefficient as a 1. Then what we have to do? Divide the entire equation by 2. Divide the entire equation by 2. So now you will get it x square plus x by 2 minus 3 equal to 0. What is the next step? Again, it must be a square plus 2ab plus b square form must get it now. A square plus 2ab plus b square form we have to get it. Okay. These two terms have to change it like this. Okay. So x whole square. Nice. And so what is a value? X, no. So that's why you take it x here. Bigger task, you got it now. What is it? This bracket. A square plus 2ab. What is the b value? Tell me b value. Can you guess it? That is the important point in it. See, must get it x by 2. X is there. 2 have to eliminate and must get it in denominator too. Then what we have to do? 1 by 4. 2 ones are 2 2s are. So x into 1 x by 2. Got it or not? So this is the extra thinking. Definitely you have that. So that's why 1 by 4. What is the b value? 1 by 4. Then what we have to do here? 1 by 4 plus we have done. Then immediately minus 1 by 4 whole square minus 3 equal to 0. Now x square. Now you observe this. A square plus 2ab plus b square. A plus b whole square. Yes or no? X plus 1 by 4 whole square equal to 1 by 4 whole square plus 3. Now x plus 1 by 4 whole square equal to 1 by 16 plus 3. Just take a LCM. What did we get? LCM is 16. 1 plus 48. So now x plus 1 by 4 equal to, square is going that side, plus or minus root over 48 plus 1. 49 by 16. Now x plus 1 by 4 equal to plus or minus root 49 7, root 16 4, plus or minus 7 by 4. Now, what is x value? X is equal to 1 by 4 plus 7 by 4. Take it one time. ORR x equal to, I have done mistake, no? Plus 1 by 4 transpose right side minus 1 by 4. And again, now here x is equal to minus 1 by 4 minus 7 by 4. X equal to 7 minus 1, 6 by 4, or x equal to minus 8 by 4. So you got it, x value is 3 by 2, 2 3s are 2 2s are, or x equal to minus 2. This is the solution by using completing the square method. See, one more method is there to prove it, that is a method 2. Any one of the method you use it. This is second method. Second method, can we discuss? That method is called Fourier method. What is it? Fourier method. Fourier. What is meant by small a? Here, small a into alphabet lo A ga sir. What is meant by a here? In this chapter, a is called x square coefficient. x square coefficient ని 4 తో మల్టిప్లై చేసేస్తంట ప్రాబ్లం చాలా ఈజీ అయిపోద్దంట. చూద్దామా మరి? దిస్ మెథడ్ ఆల్సో we are discussing now. Get ready. Our problem is 2x square plus x minus 6. What is the name of this method? Fourier method. What we have to do it? You have to multiply the entire equation by Fourier. Fourier method. Fourier. Here what is meant by a? X square coefficient. What is the x square coefficient? 2. 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8. Entire equation you have to multiply with 8. Problem is over. Means the steps are very easy. Method we are using this one only. Now multiply with 8 completely. 8 of 2x square plus x minus 6 equal to 0 into 8. 8 2s are 16x square plus 8x minus 48 equal to 0. Okay. Now, again same method. What we have to do? This must change in a whole square method. Then what we have to do? A square plus 2ab plus b square. What is a value? Guess it now. Yes, 4x. 4x whole square. 4x into 4x, 4 4s are 16, x into x square. So that's why 16x square expressed as 4x whole square. 2, what is, this is a. 2ab, no. What is a value? 4x. So that's why we have written here 4x. 4 2s are 8x. Nice. Then can you guess the b value? 4 2s are 8x. Already 8x is there now. Then what we have to take it? Definitely 1. So now that's why again here you take it 1. This plus 1 square, it is extra term. So that's why minus 1 you have to do it. Minus 48 equal to 0. Then what did we get? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Then a square plus 2ab plus b square value is a plus b whole square. 4x plus 1 whole square is equal to minus 1 minus 48. Minus 49, the transpose right hand side plus 49. So 4x plus 1 equal to plus or minus root 49. 4x plus 1 is equal to root 49 value is 7. So plus or minus 7. So 4x plus 1 is equal to 7, or 4x plus 1 equal to minus 7. 4x equal to 6, or 4x equal to minus 8. So x equal to 6 by 4, or x equal to minus 8 by 3 so 2. So x is equal to 3 by 2 or minus 2. X value is 3 by 2 or minus 2. This is Fourier method. Which method it is? Fourier method. In Fourier method, what we have to do? We have to multiply the entire equation by Fourier. Fourier means 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8. Here x square coefficient is 3. 4 into 3, 12. You know that time you have to multiply with 12 when x square coefficient is 3. Okay.